Hey everyone, welcome along to the channel today again. It's been a little while. I've got a bit of wind here and a bit of a current, so excuse it. So today I'm out on my kayak. I've got my little mere 6x6. I've got my zero image 4x5 all loaded up the front there. I'm having a little paddle along, see if we can get some photos from the kayak, see if we can get maybe something else somewhere along the way on the beach or something. It's a bit of a breeze, so hopefully the sound's alright. I've not got any external stuff, but anyway, it's been a little while, which I hadn't meant it to be. A few weeks back we were camping one weekend, then the following weekend I had COVID, then the weekend after that we had some extreme heat in the UK, which I absolutely hated. I preferred having COVID, it was horrible. I don't do well on the heat. And then the following weekend I was just absolutely shattered, I think, from the previous 2 weeks. So I finally dragged myself back out today, loaded up my cameras. Thought best way, just being out on the sea, love it. So I'm gonna have a little paddle along. I'm gonna clamp up the mere 6x6 following my little series. I'm gonna try and get a few with my zero image as well. So I'm not quite sure what we're gonna get yet, but just a bit conscious of the wind is just taking me where I don't want to be at the minute. But we'll get paddling, hopefully get some photos. Okay, so I've got my first shot set up. The plan is I've paddled as far out as I can be bothered, and it's just kind of taking me all the way back. So while it's drifting me back, I'll get a few photos. Got an exposure of around 4-5 seconds depending what the sun's doing. So I'm going to just point away from the sun, go about 5 seconds on this, just on a little tripod. I've got my clamp with me as well. I'm now for a suit clamp. I've strapped something and yeah, just let the wind and the tide take us, and see how we go. Okay, next one I got up on the front for a little selfie. Hoping it won't fall in, because here it will just sink to the bottom. Last time I did this I was on my paddleboard on the river, which is quite shallow. But here, I ain't getting that back. Alright. 2, 1. Not a bad spot for some breakfast. I've done a few other shots similar to this with a clamp on the paddle, my paddleboard, and trying the kayak. It's like a paddler's hand kind of shot, so I'm going to paddle along a little bit. They're going to try another one the other way, looking up. A little bit different, try and get the sun. There we go. Now this little camera, mere 6x6, has survived so much abuse recently. Last time I had it strapped to my remote control car, ramps, broke a load of, I loosened a load of massive magnets inside. But it all glued back together. I've put some tape on it today just as precautionary, but fantastic little camera, absolutely really enjoy using it. Mere Pinholes does now have a website, so make sure you go check them out, and obviously their Instagram and everything as well. And he is currently working on a 6x6 10mm, which is insanely wide. I think he's put some pictures up on his Instagram, possibly. I know he shared a few of me, and he's got a few teething issues with it, but it is insanely wide and it looks really cool. So I'm hoping get my hands on one of them as soon as he's figured out all the little problems. And yeah, certainly go check their website out anyway. Well worth a look. Fantastic fun little camera though. Okay, so probably one of my last shots of this. I'm running out of options really, because on the kite you're kind of sitting down, I can't move around so much. So I'm going to do a selfie on the end of the paddle, and hopefully it don't fall off, because with the weight of that clamp, that thing is definitely gone. Right, decided to come back in. Weather's kind of picking up a little bit and wind's getting a bit of a struggle, so gonna get a few photos of the kayak on the beach, I think, get the zero image out, and finish off with that. Okay everyone, so that is it. The kayak is all back and loaded up on the car now. I had a series of about 1-2 second exposures with my zero image, so hopefully they came out quite nice. I've not actually used that camera for a little while, so it's nice to get back out of it. So make sure you subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. Leave a comment, that really helps with the algorithms apparently, so it will help grow my channel. Just say hi, let me know what your favourite photo is, and hopefully I'll be back out sooner. Hopefully the next few weeks go better. We've got kids' school holidays now anyway, so it's going to be a bit busy for the next few weeks anyway. So next few months might be a bit hit and miss, but then we'll be on to autumn, and hopefully I should be out quite a lot then. Anyway, thanks for watching everyone. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Take care.